yetu yetulie mbinguni, yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetulie, jina lako litukuzwe.
I play Minecraft.
Amina baba yetu yetulie, jina lako litukuzwe. Tupe leo chakula chetu, tunachohitaji utusamehe makosa yetu.
But first, let's make fun of this Scottish bloke.
Hello, me old chum. I'm not a gnolf. I'm not a gnoblin. I'm a gnome, and you've been gnome.
Why does he need the piano? Look at his face. That is the, like that is the face of him thinking like, what am I doing with my life right now? Like, so disappointed. This is what it's come to. Mid-40s and this is what he's doing. That's how bad his life is. Look at him. Just utter disappointment on that face.
Why do cats do
That face.
Damn it.
I just want to fucking kill Lux! Fuck me! Bing! Bom! Bippity boppity fuckity boopity!
What the fuck?
I'm Michael Jordan. McDonald's restaurants have given me this time to talk to you about something we both really care about. Kids. Kids are the reason McDonald's sponsors their Get It Straight program, a national drug awareness effort. Think about this. Many of you using drugs out there now are under 18. Do you realize that at 18, you have lived only 1/4 of your life? When you're using drugs, you're only cheating yourself out of the chance to find out who you really can be. And believe me, if you don't use drugs, you can just about be anything you want to be. Listen, you got at least 3/4 of your life to go. That's 3 more lifetimes to you. So don't blow it. Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help. McDonald's wants you to give yourself a chance to find out all the wonderful things you really can be. And so do I.
The fuck?
They made a move like a vessel of shimmy, all sweet and tender like a tiny baby kitty. I need to get some, put my body in them, then I will rule the land. Is that an angel, baby? No.
Hold your fire! Here we go! 3, 2, 1, now! Jumping all around. Jump, jump, jump! Everybody jump with me! Jump, jump, jump! Jumping all around. Woo!
Where was that safe? Was it back behind us? No, it wasn't. So it's gotta be further ahead for sure. Didn't get the key? I did, didn't I? Don't break my heart. I'm gonna have to kill myself to go back over and get it. Ah, fuck. Well, this is my life now. Me and Bob here. Thanks for the key, Bob. We are, well, yeah. We are chilling. Got a nice view. The 2-bedroom apartment, swimming pool. Nice view of the sky at night. A lot of wildlife. Forestry. It's good, man. It's good. All kind of weather conditions.
That was easy.
I'm not listening to ABBA because we went through all of them the other day. I'm not really in the mood for Queen right now. As much as I love Queen, I'm not listening to the Welsh National Anthem, sorry.
She packed my bags last night, pre-flight.
Blue, come on! Can't go wrong with this.
Hear the drums echoing tonight, and she hears only whispers of some quiet.
To school and you gotta lick all your yogurt. Like I years of practice using my tongue as a spoon.
I think she's got a point, chat.
Seriously, I would always eat my yogurt just with my tongue. Maybe my tongue is long. No, I can't.
It works.
With it. My tongue goes really big, like down, but like.
It works, chat.
Oh! And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high and loud. Sit to the top of my lungs. What's going on?
Hey Fridge, so hard is your 3-year anniversary today. Want to congratulate you on that with how far you've come with reaching over 6k followers and over 30 subs. Happy you're still streaming, bud. Much love. Peace.
I met Fridges over 2 years ago. I got randomly recommended to go into a stream by one of my friends at the time. And from the first day I went in to any day now, he's still the same, like he hasn't changed. He's still as nice, as genuine, as like as good a person as ever. And then when I started streaming myself, he's always been at the help. He's been supported from day one. Like any questions I've had, he's always like had made time for me and brought me in the games. He's like been a genuinely nice guy, and I would consider him one of my friends. But I'm very glad I met Fridges when I did, and I'm very glad we're still friends to this date.
Don't worry, be happy.
Hello, Mr. Sexy Irishman. Congratulations on 3 years of streaming. Let's get many more. And we see you smile.
Be happy. The landlord say your rent is late.
Hey dude. Okay, so listen up. I wanted to say happy 3 years on Twitch, and someone messaged me that it was a good idea that I made a little message. So here I am, saying hi, saying congratulations on 3 years on Twitch. Yeah, so around I'd say a year ago at this point. I met you in an Overwatch game, and you were really nice to me, so I started following you on Twitch while you were streaming and stuff. Yeah, and at one point I decided, you made me decide that I wanted to stream on my own. And you helped me out with it, and you've always been nice when I have questions and stuff like that. You've really helped me out actually doing this, and I really enjoy doing it, so yeah, it's just had a really good impact on me, I'd say. Yeah, but anyways, dude, every 3 years, man, love you, Bob.
Be happy.
Alright, Fridge. We know each other for a long time now. I believe it's almost 2 years, or even more. You know the story how we first met in PUBG. You told that story 100 times. And I'm here to tell you that you're a good friend, a very good friend, and all the time that I spent with you, either playing or just talking to you in Discord, there are times that I will remember for a long time because you're one of my best friends, Fridge. And I don't know if I ever told you that, but I do appreciate what you're doing, and I don't think I ever told you thank you. So just a simple thank you for doing what you're doing and for being a good friend. So thank you, Fridge. Please do continue what you're doing, because you're doing it perfectly.
What's poppin', motherfucker? Happy 3 years. You Irish, unsexier version of me. Love rap.
So Fridge, it's been 3 years, yeah? You've been doing good work, you know, like, even though I may have been only here like 2 years, it's good to see you going. Don't worry, I'll be back soon, just GCSEs and stuff. Well, good luck.
Hey Fridge, this is Naz. Just gonna start this off by saying congrats on the 6K and 3 years. I may not be one of the oldest followers that you have, and I may not be one of the most persistent viewers, but I did enjoy your streams to the fullest. I remember for everything from the hilarious backstabs and betrayals of Deceit to the seemingly endless supply of Battlefield. And I just want to say, from genre to genre, you've provided really good content from all sides of the spectrum, from people who just watch streams to help, for people who just watch streams to interact with the streamer. It's just really good content. I'm thankful to be considered in your group of friends, and from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for making me laugh each stream.
Fridges is an incredible influencer to the Twitch community and an amazing person. The first time I met Fridges was over a year ago when only Bree decided to raid him, and I am so grateful that she did. Since that day, I've gotten to know Fridges as a streamer, an influencer, and a friend. I am so happy I was able to meet Fridges, and congratulations on his 3 years on Twitch. Love you, man. So happy to see you grow.
Hey Fridge, Grow here. Just want to congratulate you on 3 years of streaming, man. Congratulations. You're so dedicated to what you do, it's amazing. It's an honour to call you a friend, and I can't wait to see what you do in the years to come, my man. Happy 3 years. Love you, buddy.
Hey Fridges, congratulations on 3 years, bro. I know it's a long time in the making. I'm just glad that I was able to join up with you guys, hang out, love the stream, and absolutely do. You're like a brother to me. Keep it going, keep up the hard work. Can't wait to see what you can do here in the future.
Hello Martin, this is Wolf talking. First of all, I want to say happy anniversary. Second, I want to congratulate you on how much you've grown. I remember following you on the 14th day of November in 2016. It was in Battlefield 1. Back then you only had about 900 followers. Now you have about 6.2 thousand of them. I will be able to join stream more recently now that summer is approaching. So I can't wait to see you again. I hope you have a fantastic day and congratulations. See you later, Martin.
Fridges, my dude, Toasted here. Miss your freaking face, bro. Love you. Congrats on the 3 years, man. Here's to 3 more. Can't wait to hang out, my man. Much love. Love to the Fridges community. You guys rock.
Happy 3rd year, you beautiful son of a bitch.